So I am Kunna from Kunna's Horizon. Want to give you some tips on work, power and energy. Work, power and energy. So all of you go through the video from the starting till the ending and view it. Give your comments in the comment box and always remember to subscribe the channel and make it very much stronger so that it will continue and your knowledge, gaining of knowledge will also continue. So see here, tips on work, power and energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Its SI unit is joule. Work is said to be done only when force applied on a body move along the direction of force and SI unit is joule. Work can be positive, negative or zero. When a body rotates in a circular path, no work is done, as the centripetal force as force and displacement are normal to each other. When body rotates in a circular path, no work is done, as the centripetal force and displacement are normal to each other. Number 5. Work done can be zero if force applied is zero, displacement of the body is zero, angle between the force and displacement is 90 degree. Next is mechanical energy is of two types. Number 1, kinetic energy and number 2, potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the virtue of its motion. Any body while moving gives you the kinetic energy. Then potential energy is the energy possessed by the virtue of position. Potential energy is the energy possessed by the virtue of position. Next is types of kinetic energy. The types of kinetic energy are: number 1 is translation energy, rotational energy and vibrational energy. So then in the next case what do you mean by conservation of energy? So potential energy are of two types, that is elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one form of energy to another form. Then according to the work energy theorem, the work done by a force on a moving body is equal to the increase in its kinetic energy. After that, some formulas: work is equal to force into displacement, or F(s) cos theta, where s is the displacement and theta is the angle between the force and displacement axis. Potential energy is equal to mgh. M is equal to mass, g is equal to gravity, h is equal to height. Then kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. M is equal to mass, v is equal to velocity. Then 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. Erg is the CGS unit of work. Then next one is 1 watt hour is equal to 3600 joules, and that is equal to 3.6 kilojoules. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Then P square is equal to 2 into mass into kinetic energy. That is equal to P is equal to momentum, K is here kinetic energy. Then work energy theorem. According to the work energy theorem, W is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. That is B is equal to final velocity and U is equal to initial velocity. So in the second part we will read about the power. We will read about, I will give you some tips about the power and sources of power. Till then, within 24 hours this video will be released. Now go through the released video and you can know something about the tips of on the work, power and energy in the first part. So always go through the video from the starting till the ending, view it and give your comments in the comment box. But remember not to subscribe. Always subscribe the channel. Do not forget to subscribe. So always remember to subscribe the channel so that the channel can be powerful and the videos which will be released will be much more improvised and you can gain more and more knowledge from that. You can learn more and more from that. So thanks. I Kunna from Kunna's Horizon and telling you to give the go through the second part. Very soon I am going to release it, and go through the description board. I have given you some questions. Try them and try to answer them. If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. Your doubts will be 100% cleared. Thank you.